In order to install Maven Documents to your Salesforce instance, please navigate to App Exchange and type Maven Documents in search. From our App Exchange listing, click Get It Now. After that, you'll be prompted to choose where to install Maven Documents, your production or sandbox org. We highly recommend testing in a sandbox instance before installing in your production org. After you select the environment, you need to read and accept terms and conditions and click Install. Then you'll need to choose whether you want to install Maven Documents for all users or only for admins and specific profiles. After you've made the decision, click Install. That's it! Maven Docs is now installed in your environment and you're ready to explore it.